let's get into this. To fix this, let's look at our tasks on the left pane. We have to open issue tracks and the open ticket, assign the ticket to yourself, which is me, resolve the remaining issues using the information found in the open ticket, and a comment to the ticket indicating that it has been resolved. Then I'll go ahead and close the ticket. Alright, so let's start up. This is pretty much straightforward. Let's go to our issue tracks and see what we have. We have an open ticket here. We open it up. So let's see what this person wants. We have a new employee starting next week. She will be using the Marketing 6 computer located on the second floor in the Marketing Group C area of the office. Before she starts, we would like to upgrade the computer with a larger hard drive and then install the Windows 10 operating system for her. And the priority for this is high, so we must do it today, and the date is 20/3/2025, which is today's date. Okay, and the current assignee is Michael Ray, to now be assigned to me because I'll be the one to solve this problem. So we have an additional comment here. Let's see what has been done on this PC already. So my colleague Michael says, I have installed the hard drive for this new system. I need you to install the OS using PXE and our Windows 10 company image. This is a Dell computer, so you will need to press F2 to get into the BIOS setting. I've changed the ticket to software. Thanks, Melanie. Alright. Okay, so this is what Melanie has done. So just go ahead and continue. I will come back when I'm through to close, to add my comments and then close this ticket. So let's minimize this. We'll go to floor 1. And the office is in floor 1, I guess. Yep, the office is in floor 1. Oh, the office is in floor 1. Let's go back and confirm where this office is. I'll go back into my office, the IT office, and then I'll check again just to be sure. Okay, we have a new employee starting next week. She'll be using the Marketing 6 located in the second floor in the Marketing Group C. Second floor, Marketing Group C. Alright. Second floor, Marketing Group C. Alright, so let's go to second floor. This is floor 1, floor 2. So floor 2. Marketing, nope, I think we're in the wrong floor. Let's go back to building. Floor 2, Marketing Group C. This is Marketing Group A, B, and C. So we'll click on the hardware. Alright, so we're inside the office, and here's the PC. So we'll go ahead and start up with the installation. So we're gonna hit enter and then press F2 to take us into the BIOS settings. So we check our boot sequence. Onboard NIC is checked. Everything here is checked. This is legacy. Alright, so it shows that this computer is pretty much old. Otherwise, it should be UEFI, but that is not our issue for now. We go into system configuration and then integrated NIC. So NIC is enabled, but we want NIC to be enabled with PXE. So check this. Poof, this is done. And then what is it we need to check? All right, so every other thing is fine. We'll go ahead and apply. And then we exit. Alright, so it has taken us into Windows 10. So it says choose an operating system. And this is Windows Boot Manager, and this is the server IP. So this operating system is in the server, and I'm going to install it. So we'll go ahead and press enter. Boom. Okay. So here we have the MAC address and the rest, download boot and the rest. So I guess we're pretty much done with our tasks. So let's see. So we'll go ahead and then close the ticket. That is what's left. So this is done. This is marketing 6. We're through. Let's go back into our office. So our office is in building floor 1. And this is IT office. And open issue tracks and then include our comment, a new operating system has been installed on the marketing 6 computer group C. Poof. So we've done the job. We'll go ahead and close this ticket. Let's add it. We have to add it. That's been added. Remember, when you input your comments, remember you have to press this plus button by the side here to add it. Okay, so we'll close this and let's check our answers. Every task here is done, so we'll go ahead and score the lab. If this video is helpful, you might want to consider subscribing, liking, sharing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you some other time.